Sun is rising slow, golden light begins to glow. The ocean waves are calling me back to where my heart feels free. I walk along the sandy shore, all my worries at the door. The palm trees dance above my head, whispering the words the island said. Take a breath and feel the breeze, listen to the songs of the trees. Every wave and every sound brings my lost peace back around. Island breeze takes me home, where my heart will never roam. Through the sunshine, through the sea, the island brings the best of me. Island breeze takes me home, to a place where love has grown. One love, one heart, one melody. The island sets my spirit free. The fishermen sing their morning song, knowing where their hearts belong. Children laughing by the bay, celebrating another day. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a peaceful feeling everywhere. No need to rush, no need to race. I found my little sacred place. Let the worries drift away. Welcome to a brighter day. Feel the rhythm, feel the tide. Let the ocean be a guide. Island breeze takes me home, where my heart will never roam. Through the sunshine, through the sea, the island brings the best of me. Island breeze takes me home, to a place where love has grown. One love, one heart, one melody. The island sets my spirit free. When the road becomes too heavy and the world moves too fast, I remember island mornings and the peaceful moments that last. The moonlight dances on the water, the stars shine above the bay. The island whispers softly, everything will be okay. No matter where this journey goes, the island lives inside my soul. Every breeze, every wave, every tree reminds me who I'm meant to be. Love is the rhythm, peace is the song, the feeling that carries me along. inside of me. The waves keep rolling, the palm trees sway. The island love will never fade away. One love, one dream, one peaceful sea. The island breeze will always carry me.
The morning light is touching the sea. A peaceful moment is calling me. The waves are moving soft and slow, teaching my heart where peace can grow. The palm trees whisper in the breeze, a gentle song among the leaves. I leave my worries far behind and find the calm I need to find. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let the peaceful day begin. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Let the ocean take control. Peaceful waves of paradise, where the sun is warm and bright. Every tide brings love my way. Every dawn creates a brand new day. Peaceful waves of paradise, a place where my soul feels alive. One love flowing endlessly, like the ocean beside me. The fishermen return at dawn, singing songs to carry on. Children laughing by the shore, finding joy in simple things once more. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a feeling of freedom everywhere. No need for riches, no need for gold, just the stories that the ocean told. Let the island calm your mind, leave the heavy thoughts behind. Every heartbeat, every sound brings a little peace around. Peaceful waves of paradise, where the sun is warm and bright. Every tide brings love my way. Every dawn creates a brand new day. Peaceful waves of paradise, a place where my soul feels alive. One love flowing endlessly, like the ocean beside me. When the world becomes too loud and the skies are covered by clouds, I remember the ocean song, the place where my heart belongs. The moonlight shines across the bay, guiding me through another day. The island teaches me to see the beauty of simplicity, like the waves that never stop, like the rain that gently drops. Life keeps moving, life keeps flowing, new beginnings always growing. Hold on to love, hold on to peace. Let your worries find release. The ocean knows the way to heal the quiet moments that we shades of gold, another beautiful story told. The stars appear above the sea, a reminder of how blessed we can be. With grateful hearts we sing along to stars keep shining soft and bright, where the ocean meets the sky. Peace and love will never die. One love, one dream, one sea. Paradise lives inside of me.
Golden sun is going down, painting colors all around. The ocean whispers soft and low, sharing secrets only dreamers know. Barefoot walking on the sand, feeling peace beneath my hands. The gentle breeze is passing by, like a blessing from the sky. Slow down, breathe in the air, leave behind every care. Feel the rhythm of the sea, let your heart be wide and free. Sunset dreams by the shore, where my soul finds peace once more. Golden skies and ocean waves, a paradise my heart embraces. Sunset dreams by the shore, a feeling I can't ignore. One love shining endlessly, like the sun across the sea. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Palm trees dancing with the breeze, moving gently through the leaves. The reggae rhythm fills the night, everything feels warm and right. Fishermen return from the sea with thankful hearts and memories. Simple moments, simple days, life has beautiful hidden ways. Let the worries drift away, welcome to a peaceful place. Every wave that meets the sand reminds me life is in my hands. Sunset dreams by the shore, where my soul finds peace once more. Golden skies and ocean waves, a paradise my heart embraces. Sunset dreams by the shore, a feeling I can't ignore. One love shining endlessly, like the sun across the sea. When tomorrow brings a new road and I carry another load, I remember this peaceful scene, the calmest place I've ever been. The moon will rise, the stars will glow, the ocean keeps its gentle flow. Every sunset leaves a sign, there is beauty in every time. If the world feels heavy and fast, hold on to moments that last. The waves will teach your heart to know everything has time to grow. Like the sun that fades away, it always returns another day. The stars are shining bright, turning darkness into light. The ocean sings a lullaby underneath the endless sky. With a grateful heart I say, thank you for this beautiful day. Wherever life may take me through, I'll
sunset dreams by the shore, where my heart feels free once more. Golden skies and ocean waves, the memories my spirit saves. Sunset dreams by the shore, forever calling me once more. One love, one heart, one melody. Peace lies beside the sea. The sun goes down, the stars appear. The sound of the ocean draws me near. A peaceful dream, a love so pure. Forever dreaming by the shore.
Slow dance with the ocean. The morning breeze is calling softly, whispering a song across the sea. The waves are moving like a dancer, inviting my heart to be free. Barefoot steps upon the shoreline, following the rhythm of the tide. The ocean holds a peaceful feeling, like a friend walking by my side. Take it slow, let the moment stay. Feel the beauty of today. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let a peaceful life begin. Slow dance with the ocean, moving gently with the tide. Let the waves carry your worries. Let the sea become your guide. Slow dance with the ocean, where my heart feels alive. One love flowing endlessly, like the waves beneath the sky. Palm trees sway in the island breeze. Soft melodies travel through the leaves. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a peaceful feeling everywhere. The fishermen sing their morning stories. The children laugh along the shore. Simple moments become treasures, the kind of peace I'm searching for. Leave the rush and leave the race. Find your calm and find your place. Every heartbeat, every sound brings a little heaven around. Slow dance with the ocean, moving gently with the tide. Let the waves carry your worries. Let the sea become your guide. Slow dance with the ocean, where my heart feels alive. One love flowing endlessly, like the waves beneath the sky. When the world feels loud and heavy, and the days move far too fast, I'll remember ocean mornings and the peaceful moments that last. The moonlight shines upon the water. The stars are watching from above. The sea keeps singing softly, a timeless song of peace and love. Like the ocean keeps returning, like the sun will always rise. There is hope inside each moment. There is beauty in our lives. Let your spirit move like water. Let your heart be
beside the sea.
The sunset paints the horizon, golden colors fill the sky. I feel thankful for this journey, for the simple days passing by. Every wave becomes a memory, every breeze a song to keep. The ocean teaches patience and the beauty of moving deep. Slow dance with the ocean, gently with the tide. Let the waves carry your worries, let the sea become your guide. Slow dance with the ocean, forever peaceful and free. One love, one heart, one melody. The ocean lives inside of me. The waves keep moving slowly, the stars begin to shine. The ocean keeps on whispering, peace will always find you in time. One love, one dream, one sea, forever dancing with the ocean heart.
Morning sun is rising slowly, golden rays across the sea. A brand new day is softly calling, bringing peace and hope to me. The palm trees dance with gentle whispers, the ocean sings a melody. Every breath feels like a blessing, every wave sets my spirit free. Leave the worries of yesterday, let them gently drift away. Feel the warmth of the morning light, a new beginning shining bright. Morning light over the island, shining down on hearts so free. Every sunrise brings a promise of the beauty yet to be. Morning light over the island, golden skies and peaceful seas. One love flowing through the rhythm, like the breeze among the trees. The fishermen are on the water, starting journeys with a smile. Children laughing by the shoreline, making memories all the while. The reggae rhythm fills the morning, softly moving through the air. Simple joys and grateful moments show that blessings are everywhere. Take your time and feel the moment, let your heart be calm and free. Every sunrise tells a story written by the endless sea. Morning light over the island, shining down on hearts so free. Every sunrise brings a promise of the beauty yet to be. Morning light over the island, golden skies and peaceful seas. One love flowing through the rhythm, like the breeze among the trees. When the road becomes uncertain like the tide that finds the shore. There is always hope returning, there is always something more. Hold on to love and kindness, let your heart become the light. Every morning brings a chance to make the world a little bright. Completely with the colors of the day. The breeze carries songs of freedom as the clouds drift away. With a grateful heart I'm standing, watching sunlight touch the sea, knowing every new tomorrow brings another chance to be. Morning light over the island, shining brighter every day. With one love inside our hearts, we will find a better way. Morning light over the island, peace and joy forever free. One love, one art, one melody. The island lives inside of me. The sun will rise tomorrow with a promise fresh and new. Every dream that's waiting for you. One love, one heart, one sky. Morning light forever shining high. I have walked through many roads, carrying stories, carrying loads, searching for a place to breathe, a little peace my heart could keep. Then I found the ocean breeze, whispering softly through the trees. A quiet shore, a peaceful sky, a place where my worries say goodbye. Slow down, listen to the sound, feel the healing all around. Every wave and every tree brings a little peace to me. A place where my soul rests, where my heart can finally breathe. A place where I find my peace, like a gentle ocean breeze. No worries, no fear, just harmony. A beautiful life surrounding me. One love, one heart, one destiny. This is where I'm meant to be. The morning sun shines on the water, painting colors soft and bright. The birds are singing in the distance, welcoming another peaceful light. The palm trees move with a rhythm, the island sings a calming song. Here I feel my spirit rising, here is where my heart belongs. Leave the heavy thoughts behind, open up your heart and mind. Feel the freedom, feel the flow, let the peaceful waters grow. A place where my soul rests, where my heart can finally breathe. A place where I find my peace, like a gentle ocean breeze.
finds the ocean, like the bird knows how to fly. Every soul is searching somewhere for a place beneath the sky. Find your peace, protect your spirit, let your heart be calm and free. The greatest journey you can travel is the one inside of thee. Now the sunset paints the horizon, golden light across the sea. I give thanks for every moment, for the peace surrounding me. No matter where my path may lead me, this feeling will remain. A place of love, a place of healing, where my soul can rest again. Where my soul rests, where my spirit feels alive. Oh, a place where love surrounds me, where my dreams begin to rise. No worries, no fear, just harmony. A peaceful heart, a soul set free. One love, one heart, one melody. This paradise lives inside of me. The waves keep rolling gently, the breeze sings soft and slow. I found the place I searched for, the place my soul can know. One love, one peace, one sea, a place where my soul rests forever.